Hey lovies, welcome back to another delicious recipe. And on today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing how to make this delicious mouth-watering seafood data banga soup. So guys, if you're interested in watching this recipe, do stay tuned as I take you through all the list of the ingredients and let's get started cooking. So guys, right now I'm going to be introducing the spices one after the other. Right here I have my already grinded banga soup spices, which contain some ataiko, UHURUNBEBE and other banga spices. I have my BELETIENTIEN leaves, which is also known as bush apple leaves in English. I have my OHURUNBEBE sticks, some non-MAGGI cubes, which you can use any seasoned cube of your choice. So I have my Ghana fresh palm fruit cream, which you can use the normal palm fruit if you can get that, but I'm using the palm fruit cream because that's what I can lay my hands on here where I live. I have 1 onion and 2 scotch bonnet peppers, and I'm going to be using 2 catfish for my seafood banga soup. So right here I have some smoked fish, some smoked catfish and smoked mala fish, and I do also have some crayfish. And right here I have some periwinkle, which is the star key for banga soup, for data banga soup. And I'm going to be throwing in just a few shrimps. So I will start by cutting my already washed catfish, which I did wash with some salt and lemons. So after cutting my fish, I will rinse it and add in some hot boiling water. After adding in my hot boiling water, I will take off the water just a minute after it and run some cool water to stop it from cooking further. And right now I will add my smoked fish into a bowl and add in some boiling water to make it soften up a bit. And right now I'm going to be blending my crayfish, onion and scotch bonnet pepper. So guys, at this time I'm done prepping all my ingredients, so I'm going to be transferring in half of my palm fruit cream into a bowl. And after transferring it into the bowl, I'll go ahead and pour in some boiling water to dissolve the palm fruit. I will stir this up together so it will dissolve completely and leave it to cool down for about 2 minutes. So right now I will transfer my palm fruit into the pot, making sure not to transfer the bottom part to it. So guys, you can see the reason why you have to melt your banga cream and strain it so you don't put all the particles in your soup. I will cover this to boil for about 20 minutes. So this is 20 minutes of my palm fruit boiling. Right now I will transfer in my smoked fish, which is already washed and cleaned. After transferring that, I will add in my banga soup stick. I will cover this and allow it to start cooking. So guys, right now I'll go ahead and open this, and I will start by adding in my onion, scotch bonnet pepper and crayfish. I will add in some salt. and I'll go ahead and add my seasoned cubes. I'll add in my already grinded banga soup spices, and I'll stir this up together. So at this moment, I will cover up the soup and allow it to keep on cooking. So guys, at this moment, I'm going to open up the pot. The soup have been cooking for about 20 minutes now. Your palm fruit needs a lot of time to cook so you can achieve that perfect banga soup. So right now, I'll go ahead and add in my catfish. After adding in my catfish, I'll go ahead and add in my periwinkle. I will also add in the already washed and cleaned shrimps, and I'll give this a nice stir. So at this moment, I will cover it up and allow it to keep on cooking until the fish gets cooked properly. And at this moment, I'll go ahead and add in my BELETIENTIEN leaves. I will stir this up together, allow it to cook for just 5 minutes more, and 5 minutes later, my delta banga soup is ready. So guys, thank you very much for clicking on this video. If it's your first time here, you're welcome to Lydia Isaac TV. I hope you do find this recipe helpful. So at this moment, you can see my soup is ready. It is well cooked. You can see the oil coming out from the banga soup. So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you find this recipe helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and don't forget to drop a comment on the comment section. So guys, right here I went ahead to make my EGUSI, known as starch, to rock my banga soup. Thank you very much for watching. Till I see you on my next recipe. To have a lovely day, to have a beautiful day. Bye bye.